Yo, what's up, guys? It's forgot my name. It's Tez the Kid here, and it's my granddad's birthday today. I think my mansion tour's gonna probably upload in about a bit. Well, today my dad, do you know that pink motorbike? Yeah, tires punctured. They couldn't do anything about it, so my dad's been fun. Gone ordered me a new motorbike, and it's 80cc. This one's about 850. So it's 80cc. It's 30 more cc than the other one, so I'm really scared. It's got all my body kit, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to show you it, guys. I'm sorry. I've got the builders in the back. I'm just hoping it comes in time. So, guys, here's my other. Here is my cousins. No, I think this one's my brother's. Yeah, this one's my brother's. 27. That was an accident. The exhaust. I think this is the Orion. Yep, it's Orion. I'll cut the stickers off. Oh, Macy, what's up? Say hello to the camera. Say hello. Say hello, everyone. Go on, say it. Is that your fidget spinner? Yeah. Say hello, everyone. Good girl. G63. Oh, for flip's sake. Look at my shadow. So, guys, G63, AMG is my dad's. Ali, don't worry, it's not rented. I know it's my dad's Lambo. You idiot, he thinks everything's rented. God. He's weird, man. He thinks everything's rented. There's another special car that I want to show you guys. It's actually put up for sale, so if you want it, call on W. It's, I don't know what it's called though, but it's like a old Ford. I think it's a Mark II or something. Right now inside of it stinks of old. It's like my dad's cozzy. So guys, I'm gonna sit in it. So nice and warm here. I'm just inside here by myself. Where can I put the camera? I think I might put it here. Stupid flap. Take it off. And you're just gonna chill, guys. Let's hope this doesn't crack. You can see me? I can see you. So guys, this is how you put the belt on here. Does not come. Oh, there's the other belt one. It's got like turbo seat. Okay, guys, I can't do the way with it. Yeah, I can. Oh, the other one. They're so tight. Stupid belt, bitch. Oh. Ouch. Just strap it in there. Done. So this is how this belt's meant to be. It's really uncomfortable. I don't know what I'm meant to do now. Guys, you think my bike's here? Yeah, guys, you think my bike's here? Oh my god. Holy crap. I don't know. It must be my bike. I don't know. I do not know. If it's, I'm going to look like an idiot if it's not. Innit? Let me go ask them. Is Is this the motorbike delivery?
Yes, mate.
Yes, guys, it is! Desperately motorbike! So this is a 70cc
No,
one.
110.
110.
Yeah. I thought it was a 70.
What?
It's a 110, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, 110.
How's it going?
Yeah, not
That is 110.
It's a 110, you know that, isn't it? Yeah? It's rapid.
Yeah, it's a quick, yeah?
Yeah.
Be careful, there's something.
It's automatic though, so it's all up, all the gears are just straight up.
The chain alright on it?
Yeah.
It's a bit slack. Oh,
Right, as I've come to get it out, look, that's... It's not... It's,
Daddy,
you know what I
hold
mean?
this,
It's
I'm
a bit of-
filming YouTube.
It's a bit WD
It's where
-40
it
on
ain't, it's been in the shed for like
Daddy, hold
a
this.
year.
It's not been used.
You can start it and ride it. Do you want to start it?
yeah. You know the chain?
Guys.
I was supposed to have a bit of slack on like that.
Yeah, look.
I'm really nervous.
Adam, listen, you've got to take it easy with this, yeah?
That's really quick.
Yeah.
It's automatic, so it's all up. No, there's no...
Oh my.
Straight up, the gears all straight up. Yeah, yeah it's more.
Lethal,
Yeah.
so quick.
You want to come up. Do you want to have a go yourself just to see how quick it really is?
Just lifts up.
Full auto.
Yeah.
Full automatic, yeah?
Semi-automatic.
Send me one with the
And
clutch.
it's 4-stroke.
Mr. Foddy, check this out.
Straight
It's
up.
110cc.
You want a kit as well?
Yeah, it's all here, mate. Yeah, it's all here, mate. They're like body kit, helmet, boots.
Look, just up. Up.
So where's the gears on it?
That's it there, look.
Just there, look, just straight up. Put it underneath the keg, just straight up, all gears up.
What I was doing for my boy, was sticking it into second, and then letting him go on it until he got used to it, of changing the gear, and also the boots. He wants to put the boots on.
Hold it,
Boots
Daddy.
will give you the leverage on the
Oh,
on the peg a bit easier with the kids, rather than getting on your feet on the trainers. You know what I mean? If that fits him anyway.
You like it, son?
Yeah?
Good lad.
Top man, lovely.
Yeah.
Look, and that's cut off switcher.
Cool, man. Is it key? You show him how to start it.
No,
Yeah,
just
look.
on the kick.
Son, watch him, yeah?
Right, when you
Yeah.
turn it off, you flick that off, and
And
you've
there's
got
a
to turn
petrol.
your
That's to
turn
stop the
petrol
petrol.
off.
That cuts all the petrol
Okay.
out of the tank.
Yeah, because
Yeah.
otherwise
Yeah.
it'll just be running through.
Yeah.
And when you start, if you ain't used it all day, obviously it's kicked over now,
Yeah.
but that's your choke, yeah? So you push it right up,
Yeah.
turn it on, flick that on.
And you kick it.
Yeah, make sure it's,
Not in gear.
yeah, otherwise it's just
How do you
flick.
make sure it's not in gear?
Just keep pressing down until it starts
Yeah, of
moving,
course.
yeah?
I'm not a
Like
biker.
No, I've seen
I'm a
other
car
one,
man.
no.
You know what I mean?
that. Well, you just keep pressing down until it moves on its own, and then that's when you
We've
kick
got
it
a lot of land
over.
at the back, so we'll have some fun back there.
Yeah, I've been taking my boy over the tracks and that, but it just gets too much.
Cool, man.
You know what
Happy
I mean?
days. It's a forced normal petrol, isn't it?